Ikatatlong day ng preseason ng MPBL at ang main event ay ang laban ng Binyan versus Mindoro. At kahit preseason lang ay nauwi sa WrestleMania ang laban. Meron pang na-thrown out sa game na ito at napainom agad ng tubig si Malupiton sa sobrang intense at physical ng laro na ito.
Players and tubig agad si Joel.
At ang inaabangan ng debut game sa Binyan na si Cabanyero, nagpamalasagad ng matitinding galaw. Jackpot ang Binyan sa kanya.
Boom!
Oh my!
Cabanyero escapes, lays it up and in!
At kaya naman jam-pack ng crowd dahil sa debut game ni Malupiton. Aray ko, sinampulan agad ng pisikalan. Sigawan sa unang puntos ni Malupiton. Tara at panoodin natin ang full game highlights hanggang dulo, mga ka big time.
Cabanera, against Hoson, Hoson!
It's awesome. Try yan.
Cabanera, the Malupiton for 3.
Joel Malupiton dito sa MPBL.
Yes, it is!
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays, big time plays.
RJ Ramirez, the returning JJ Caspe, Marion Magat, Bam Bam Gamalinda, and getting into...
Oh, totoo ka dyan. And when you look at the roster that they have, both these are very deep teams. Quickly, we see JJ.
RJ Ramirez. Pamboy, pass inside, kay Bayan off the glass and in.
And one thing you like,
Bayan, papunta kay Pamboy. Entry pass, Ballesteros will score underneath.
very... Wow, look at that skip.
JC Recto with a strong drive, going for the reverse.
Oh my God! Very well on a half-court set. And then you can see the half-court set of C3 right there by Bam Lopez.
Caspe, forward pass, Ramirez, short stab is good.
In my opinion, one of the guys that will benefit. Nice pass.
Magat lays it up and in, and Mindoro with a 3-point coming in. Malupiton making his MPBL debut. Caspe wants to post up Malupiton.
This is going viral.
JJ Caspe taking no prisoners whatsoever.
Oh. But you know,
Now it's with Nick Cabanyero, fresh off his stint with UST. Cabanyero, the
Oh,
spin, makes the basket plus a foul.
in situations like this on the downhill, spun against two defender and went to that second.
Bonifacio, hand off to Malupito. Cabanera against Hoson, Hoson stealing his pocket. Enzo Hoson will lay it up and in.
Well, Enzo also tried to get in there on that dribble with that inside by Malupito. See this right here. Went for that inside hand to try to steal it off. Joel falls on the floor and Enzo was just off to the finish.
Trooping to the line because Mindoro is in penalty. Here we go.
Ito bang unang-unang puntos ni Joel Malupiton dito sa MPBL?
Yes, it is! Pinoy Sakuragi approves. 2-point lead. Ozon up top, fires a three. It's good.
Little mind games here this season. He had a good showing in the previous in season number 7. Tubig agad si Joel.
Under 2 minutes left. Andrews cleared for takeoff. He scores in traffic for Mindoro.
And
Malyari. Malupiton for 3. No. And it will result into a shot clock violation against Binyan. Ito, mapantay din.
he's been in there for what? As you see a 3 right there by Ken Bono. He's been
Sidestep 3 by JV. Bouncing out. May pag-agawad pa sa rebound eh. Cabanyero off the glass and in. Nick Cabanyero with 4 points. 4 seconds left. At the post, De La Cruz. Second foul will be whistled against Joel Ramanera.
Part of Joel getting his free throw.
Mike Mabula hitting a jumper to Damian Lasco. Spins inside, Lasco off the glass and in.
Another matic.
Shot clock at 5. Gamalinda escaping
Oh, wow.
KG Canaleta to score 2 points for Mindoro.
Connections now, then just get a paint touch and spray it outside. Matter of fact, they led last season in 3-point attempts. As you see a basket right there by Nino Canaleta. Been seeing more screens, seeing more pin downs, players, and multiple actions before they get to their point of attack.
Kanina pa si Mike Mabulak at si Nicky Perez. These are good minutes for Nicky Perez.
Ito, hindi rin siya tumitinag kay Mike Mabulak oh. Talagang, he was just taking it. And that's good because come playoffs, you're gonna need those kinds of players to go up. He's one of the guys that really impressed me in Pasay, si Jopet Soriano.
What a pass and what a finish. Recto connect.
Na atake at titira. Last season, hindi ganun yan si Nicky. Now, and Mike Maestre.
Aspe. Cross court, Ramirez bubukol sa 3. Yes! Digital wallet built for the community. Soriano sa loob, 2 more points.
How many times do you see him miss that close offensive foul?
And Suwa, let's see here.
RJ was battling it out against JJ. Oh, we need to benchmark against Abra.
Kudyamat, bubukol sa 3. Gets it to go. Transition. A dangerous proposition, and that's exactly why the finish plus a foul.
Running alongside, but Rector JC really just flying over. Yeah, he knows how to finish. That's the thing.
Wow, what a move! Nick Caballero leaving it. Pass, Caballero with 8 on their shot clock.
Oh my!
Caballero escapes, lays it up and in! Strong finish from Nick Caballero.
That was a bad one. Defense got that switch, split that defense, and attacked the last guy at the back end of that Mindoro defense, which happens to be JC Recto.
Iniba rin ni Coach Boyet yung kanyang lineup here. Damian Lasco, who came off the bench.
18 to play. Kaya siguro naubusan rin ang upuan itong mga players ng Binyan.
Ravanera, the pull-up. Enzo Hoson grabs the rebound. De La Cruz attacking Ravanera. And Malupiton will be whistled with his 4th foul, much to his chagrin.
Yeah, at saka ganun talaga ang mangyayari. Ganun talaga.
Lasco to Bonifacio at the corners. Ravanera. Bonifacio takes it anyway and scores.
Him alongside Victoria did so good with that.
What a pass. Camalinda setting up Marion Magat.
Thing. Down there.
Malupiton attacks. Asking for a foul.
See this drive. Baseline side. Ilang bunggo yun, hindi niya maiiwan. Ang haba rin naman kasi at tangkal ni Asher.
Camalinda. Creating space.
Yeah,
Nice looking jumper over Warren Bonifacio.
so good at it. On the low block, oh, that's a taunting. Towards an opponent. There's that shot. Kobe-esque, so to speak. Ayun, no.
Yun na ba yun? Ikaw baka sabihin yan.
50% from the line yan. Ooh.
Ravanera, pupukol sa 3. No good. Bonifacio corrals the miss. Pamboy, wala. Agawad sa bola, Ballesteros and Ashon Andrews. De La Cruz! Putata, inabot kay Jason Ballesteros. Magat at the free throw line takes the jumper. It's good. Oops. Preseason chippiness for Bamba. Yeah.
Yeah, and that's it.
Renzo. Bounce pass to Gimpayan. The one-hander will trickle in finally for Binyan. With the lead. 70 seconds remaining. The floater
Oh,
by
wow.
Recto. Jumper. Caspe with the rebound. Recto, what a pass! Gimpayan with a basket plus a foul.
Happy viewing, Coach Don.
Recto pull-up jumper. 11 points with 5 assists. Tibayan and JJ Caspe. See the creativity of JC Recto as Caspe cuts backdoor.
Paint scoring.
And obviously, this is the preseason, so a lot of things for Binyan. No? Yun naman yung forget for Binyan. They have a lot of pieces added on to this roster. JC Recto with 14 points, 6 assists. His first 3-point conversion. See, big boy, Nicky Perez.
Si Nicky na naman. Kanina pa na-involve si Nicky Perez sa ganyang activity. Talagang
Enzo Hoson, who played sparingly for Pasilan. And now has found himself a meaningful role para dito sa Mindoro. Meanwhile,
alam mo yung ang daming tao palagi dun sa sa venue sa Mindoro when we cover games there. I'm sure mas lalong dadami. Naman dinagdag na itong mga panibagong malalarong ito na hopefully pagdating doon magawa yung defensively. Lalo if you have to contend with him underneath for low post action, even rebounding. Jamat again.
no, just fell short against Quezon. They were able to beat Pasilan. Boy Akdong with a 3. Jackson Corpus, that double overtime game that they had. Di ba?
Tayo yan
Kaya nga,
Sa Malolos, Bulacan.
dito sa laro natin to.
So I think for this week, ito na ba yung last playing day here in
Sa Caloocan.
Caloocan? Yeah?
Oh,
For
this
the
week.
Peace, this week, right. KQ! What's up, KQ? Ayan mo, pararating natin yung balita dyan sa kaibigan mo si Joel.
Ivan Dudyamat drills in a 3. Pitches it hit. Boy Aktub catching it. Aktub takes off. The finger roll won't work. Nice debut rin para sa Binyan with Nick Caballero, 14 points.
And everybody right now, ang takbo, alam mo na kung saan kay Joel. His fan base has really gone here.
You don't like that! You don't like NBA basketball!